Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to select a single multiple enter text using only computer keyboard in Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software. And now you can see I have some sentences here. So here we are not going to use our computer mouse in order to select a single multiple enter text. So for this, what you need to do is just place your blinking text cursor on the respective text or word that you want to select. And after that, on your computer keyboard, just press F8 two times, 1, 2. Now it will select a single text or word. And now if you want to select a complete sentence, then once again press the F8. Now it will select the complete sentence till the full stop. Now if you want to select the entire paragraph, then once again press the F8. And now if you want to select the enter text, then once again press the F8 once. Now it will select the enter text. So by using this method, you can easily select a single multiple enter text using only computer keyboard in Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.